Ready to ride the XRP wave using just your phone? This tutorial will show you exactly how to buy XRP on the Coinbase Mobile app, step by step. First, if you don't already have one, download the Coinbase app and tap Sign Up to create an account. You'll need to enter your name, email, and a strong password. Make sure to use a password you haven't used anywhere else. To comply with regulations, Coinbase requires identity verification. This usually involves uploading a photo of your driver's license or other government ID. Follow the prompts within the app to complete this secure process. Next, you need to fund your Coinbase account. Tap the Add Funds button. You can choose from several options, like linking your bank account for a direct transfer, using a debit card for faster access, or even using PayPal in some regions. Once your account is funded, tap the trade icon, then search for XRP in the search bar and select XRP. You will now be on the trade screen where you can buy, sell, or convert your crypto. To buy XRP, ensure Buy is selected. You can choose between a market order for instant execution at the current price, or a limit order to specify a price you are willing to pay. Enter the amount of XRP you want to purchase or the dollar amount you want to spend, and then tap Preview Buy. After completing the transaction, you can view your purchase in your Coinbase portfolio or under the transaction history. From here, you can track price changes within the app and even set up price alerts. Finally, consider your storage options. You can securely store your XRP within your Coinbase wallet for enhanced control and long-term holding. You might consider transferring your XRP to an external wallet. Just be very careful when copying the addresses for this.